Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm explaining how to upgrade from Windows 10 or Windows 7 to Windows 11 version. So right now you can see that I'm using a Windows 10 computer and I'm going to upgrade it to Windows 11. I'm not using any tools or anything except the ISO file. I'm not even using any DVD or USB or anything. So what I'm gonna do, I will just upgrade my Windows 10 to Windows 11 without using any tools. I just already downloaded the ISO file for Windows 11 and I'm going to use that ISO file for upgrading to Windows 11. So right now you can see here, if I'm checking the system properties, I'm on Windows 10. You can see that I'm on Windows 10. Alright, you can see the edition here, Windows 10 Pro N. So I'm going to upgrade to Windows 11 Pro N using this ISO file that I already downloaded. So for that, first I need to mount the Windows 11 to my computer so that it will appear for me as a drive directly, and just minimize this one. The one thing in my PC, I have issue with the disk space because I have only 10 GB. I don't think it will be enough for upgrading to Windows 11. So I already added another hard disk on my computer, which is 60 GB, which will be enough for us. So I'm adding this as the additional hard disk. So I have a 60 GB in case this is not enough. It will consume the disk F. Alright, so let me try to start upgrading the process. Just open the folder of Windows 10 after you mount it and click on the setup file directly. Double click on this one, and you can, if you don't have to check that, if you have sufficient privilege, you can directly run. Otherwise you just run as administrator and put the domain username and password, or whatever admin username and password. So after you run as the administrator, it will open window like this. So basically we have started the installation of Windows 11 and it's a bit time-taking process. You should be patient. You don't have a lot of things to do. The only thing you need to wait, depending on the files and application that you already have in your computer. So let me wait for it to finish. It's preparing the files and everything. I'll be pausing and resuming the video a couple of times for making the video as small as possible. Otherwise the video will be very lengthy. Alright, 100% is finished now. So here it's asking to install Windows 11. You can check this option if you want to download the updates, drivers and everything from internet. You can check this option. That will be a preferred option in my case. But to make the installation faster, I'm not gonna use this option right now. I'll just go with the next. But in your case, just make sure that you enable this option and just make sure that you're connected to the internet, so that then only it will download the additional packages. Click on next. So after we click on next, we'll have to wait a couple of seconds. So it's checking my PC right now. It will check the file system and disk space availability and all this. And finally it shows me for the applicable notices and license terms. We should have accept the agreement. And after we have accepted the agreement, it will check for the updates again. It's gonna take some time. You should be patient. So we got a window like this after it's going through the update process. So basically this window says if you want to keep your personal files like this, all these files, desktop documents and everything, and apps, anything like Google Chrome, Anydesk, whatever applications. If you want to keep it, you can directly click on install. But if you don't want that and you need a fresh Windows 11, like a formatted one, a fresh installation, you can click on change what to keep and go with the nothing. So everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings. Nothing will be left, and it will be a fresh installation. And you can also go with the keep personal files only if you just want to keep the files except the applications. Whatever application, it will be deleted. Only the files that you have in your computer, that will be kept. So in my case, I just want to go with the personal files and apps, everything. So just click on next, and we'll have to wait for a few seconds to a few minutes to get to the next window. Okay, we are back into the same window. So we just, in this case, we're just gonna proceed with the install. So right now you can see here it's installing Windows 11. Now we are completely out of the Windows 10, and it's keep installing Windows 11. There are possibility that it can roll back, but still it's installing Windows 11 on your computer. Let's wait for it to finish. Of course, it's gonna take some time. It's just 5% complete right now. I'll just pause the video because there is nothing on this step. You will have to wait till it completes 100%. It will take some time. After it's finished, the PC will restart automatically, and you can see here your PC will restart in a few moments. So the only thing that we require here is patience, and we need to wait for it to complete. Of course, it's gonna take some time, because if you have a lot of applications, a lot of files on your computer, the upgrade process, of course, it will take a lot of time, as we have chosen to keep everything like files and applications. I waited like I think almost half an hour to finish this one, or at least 20 minutes. Now it's rebooting the computer, and there will be one more update process, and this one also, it will take considerable time. It will show that working on updates 0%, 1% like this. Just make sure that you connect your charger, because the problem is maybe it will take sometimes like hours, 1 or 2 hours. For me it took almost 1 hour, and I'm back to the screen, login screen right now. I can log in with the old password that I was using for my Windows 10 computer. So just need to click on the user and log in with the username. You'll log in with the password that I was using before. So it's welcoming to Windows 11, and there is a similar message that we are getting in Windows 10 for the first time log in. There are some messages. It will prepare the desktop and desktop icons, all this stuff. This one also, it will take some time, so I don't think that it will be as fast as in the video, because I paused the video different times for each step, so that's why it's faster. So here we are, Windows 11. You can see the beautiful screen. It has a lot of different features available. I'll be discussing in coming videos. And the network icons, control panel, PC and everything has been changed. The icons are beautiful. Hope we can discuss more about this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.